Student, this is a very beautiful story. Let us read and enjoy this story. Sundri was a big red. Sundri was a big red, white and blue kite. Students, a kite named was Sundri. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. You are beautiful and I will call you Sundri, he said. Students, who made Sundri? Bobby made a kite and he made a beautiful kite, and so he named the beautiful kite Sundri because it looked so beautiful, so he named it Sundri. Sundri was a big red, white and blue kite. You can see in the picture, very beautiful kite, and kite name was Sundri. Who made Sundri? Bobby made Sundri. Bobby made Sundri. Now, one day Bobby took Sundri to the fair. The band was playing and everyone was smiling. Students, one day Bobby went to the fair and he took the Sundri. He took the Sundri means kite to the fair where band was playing, and from the band a musical tune was coming. A merry-go-round was playing a happy little tune. Merry-go-round means it's a swing. A merry-go-round was swing is the name of a swing, okay, and it was playing a happy little tune. It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animal. Students, on the merry-go-round there were lots of boys and girls sitting and going round and round, Bobby looked for an open space. Bobby was waiting and looking and searching for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. He was searching a place where he could fly his kite. Sundri looked too. Sundri was also searching the same thing, means a open space to fly the kite. Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Bobby tried in the grass, holding up his kite as high to fly the kite. Puff, the wind came along. Sundri started to fly up, but she could not go very high. A little dog was holding on to her long tail. Students, the Sundri started to fly up, but it did not fly. Why it did not fly? Because a little dog held the long tail. Little dog hold the long tail. It was in his mouth. Tail was in the mouth of dog. Bobby shooed the dog away. Bobby shooed the dog away means Bobby tried to get away the dog. We will try again, Bobby said. Sundri, we will do again. We will try again. And this time what happened? This time Sundri leaped up in the air. This time Sundri went high up, fly up in the air. She tugged hard. Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let go of her string. She gave a big tug. Bobby had to let her go. We cried, Sundri, now I can fly as high as I please. So now student, Sundari went high up fly. Sundari went very high in the sky. So now students, we will explain the summary of this story. This is a story of big colorful kite named Sundari. Student, it's a story about a kite, very colorful kite. And who made this kite? Bobby. It was made by a boy named Bobby. Who made Sundari? Yes, Bobby was a boy, and the Bobby made the Sundari, and he called it Sundari as it looked very beautiful. Bobby takes his big and beautiful kite Sundari to the fair to fly. One day what happened? Bobby took his kite means Sundari to the fair fly. Bobby started fly the kite. He started to fly the kite. Suddenly a dog caught the kite's tail in his mouth, but it did not fly as a dog came and it caught the tail of the kite. Bobby drove the dog away, and then the kite flew high in the sky as it wanted to go higher and higher in the sky through air. At last, students, Bobby had to leave it as she flew away. Tick the objectives. Objects you need to fly a kite. Color the kite. You can see a picture of kite, students. You have to color it beautifully, and what you have to do, students, you have to tick that objects that need to fly a kite. Stick is needed, roller is needed, glue is also needed to make a paper, and pair of scissors also, and paper, and now it's time to learn the difficult word of these chapters. White, WHITE, blue, 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 smile, SMILED, beautiful, BEAUTIFUL, fair, FAIR, playing, PLAYING, little, LITTLE, tune, TUNE, wooden, WOODEN, space, SPACE, and grass, GRASS, grass. Come to this side. Puff, PUFF, holding, HOLDING, tail, TAIL, mouth, MOUTH, shoot, SHOOED, leap, LEAPED, tugged, TUGGED, string, STRING, please, PLEASE, band, 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 and last word is dizzy, DIZZY, dizzy. Students, now we will do the word meaning related to this chapter. Beautiful is nice. Beautiful meaning nice. Band, a group of musicians. Group of musicians, student, is called a band who plays the very lovely music. And what is the meaning of tune? Tune is musical sound. Musical sound is called a tune. Holding, keeping fast. Holding means keeping fast. And puff, short blast of mind. Short blast of mind is called puff. Short blast of wind, students. Okay. Shoot, drive away. Shoot means drive away. Leap, passed over. Leap means passed over. Tugged, pulled hard. Pulled hard. Next is string. String is, student, thread. Spelling of thread is THREAD. Thread. Okay. Now we will do make sentences. Band. My favorite band is going to play tonight. Dizzy. I want to sit. I want to sit as I am feeling dizzy. Smile. I always smile. I always smile when I see my sister. Tug. Do not tug the door. Do not tug the door. Now we will do question answer related to this chapter. First question is, who made Sindri? Yes, student. Yes, very good. Bobby made Sundari. Why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? Bobby called his kite Sundari because it was very beautiful, so he called it Sundari. Did Sundari fly very high at first? No, Sundari did not fly very high at first. What made Sundari really happy? Students, what made Sundari really happy? Sundari felt happy when Bobby let her go away high in the sky. Sundari felt happy when the Bobby let her go away high in the sky. So students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.